Kalyn. So today I will be doing a room tour. As you can tell by the title of this video, I did a Instagram poll on my Instagram and you guys picked room tour over day in my life. But I will be doing a day in my life soon because a lot of you guys also wanted that video, but room tour won. So here I am giving you guys what you wanted. So you guys will be seeing my room, what's in my room, and honestly soon I really want to redecorate my room, kind of like transform my room, or just buy a couple things off of Amazon because I've heard Amazon has really great like room decor stuff. So if you guys want to see that video, I will definitely be uploading that sometime soon, just kind of like another little mini transformation to my room. So yeah, that will definitely be a video coming up soon on my channel. I hope you guys like my room. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to me. You already know what to do. Click that subscribe button and also click the notification bell so you guys can be notified when I upload. Also comment down below what other video ideas you guys have for me. If you guys have any video requests or anything, comment down below. I am up for doing anything. I always do Instagram polls on what videos I should do next, so definitely check out my Instagram if you guys want to like see what I'm gonna be doing next. So follow my social media, it'll be in the description box below, so definitely go follow my social media. You guys can DM me any videos you guys want to see on my channel, and you guys can just become friends with me on social media. So do that, okay? Do that, let's be friends. And I think that is it. I don't want to make this intro too long, so I just hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get started. Alright guys, so this is my door. We're gonna start at like a regular room tour, okay? This is my door, so you walk in and this is what you see. I'll give you guys like a little overview of my room. It's a little bit dark, sorry about that. Like I'm telling you guys, the lighting is just not that good today. Alright guys, so when you come into my room, the first thing you see is this dresser. Okay, you guys can see me. This dresser is from IKEA. So this little seashell box, I don't know where it's from, but me and my sister have this thing where every time we go to Florida, we always pick up seashells, obviously when we go to the beaches over there. So we'll just pick up some seashells at the beach and then we keep them in our little boxes. Me and her both have the same little seashell boxes. And then back here, I just have a little picture of me and one of my best friends, Carla. I need one like on this side with my best friend, Kayla, but I have one of her right there. She gave me that for, I think, my birthday, I think it was. And then next I have my perfumes, a lot of the perfumes I use. So this little tray I think is from TJ Maxx or Marshalls, I'm not sure because my mom gave it to me. So then we go back here, you guys see my perfumes that I have. This is from Bath & Body Works, or these two are from Bath & Body Works. These are Victoria's Secret perfumes. This is a toner from the brand Fresh. That's a Jimmy Choo lotion with the perfume that comes with it. This is another perfume. This is an Ariana Grande perfume, a Coach perfume, and then Versace perfume. So yeah, that is my little perfume collection there. And then I have like a handheld mirror, which this is from TJ Maxx. It also lights up if I turn it on. So yeah, you guys can see the camera, but it's kind of dirty. Anyway, so yeah, I have that there, and then I just have my little wallet right here. And then this mirror that you guys see that is up here is from Target. Okay, so then I have this corner next to my dresser, as you guys seen, and this corner just has my backpack and my printer, nothing exciting, and sadly we're not going back to school, so my backpack is just sitting there. And then I have this little trash can right here, which is from Target. So yeah, you guys can get that from Target if you guys really like that trash can. And my chair for my desk is from TJ Maxx. Yeah, I got that a while ago, so I don't know if they would still have that, and I still haven't taken off the little tag. But anyways, this is my little desk section. My desk is from IKEA. And then we have this little lamp right here, and that lamp is from TJ Maxx. And then on my desk we just have my LED light controller. And then next to my lamp I have this cute little clear tray for your pencils, which I also got from TJ Maxx. And then obviously I have my iMac, which is from Apple, duh. I don't have the Apple mouse with me because I just need to buy some batteries for it, and I'm too lazy to go buy batteries, so I have this like ratchet mouse right there. And then my mouse pad is from Target. This is also from Target. So yeah, I usually put my camera in that corner, that's why it looks a little bit empty, but that's what I have on my desk, you guys. Above my desk I have a whole bunch of pictures of like my mom and my friends and me. Like for example, those are my two besties right there. That's Carla and that's Kayla. This little circle shelf thing is from Target. And then I have a couple books up there. I have my Polaroid up there. I have my tassel from my cap because I am class of 2020. So yeah, I just have a whole bunch of stuff up there, to be honest. It looks a little bit crowded, but I just like having a whole bunch of photos and memories. So next to my desk area, I have this record player from Urban Outfitters. The little record player stand is also from Urban Outfitters. It's just a gold record player. So I have only 3 records, which is one of the Ariana Grande Dangerous Woman album, and then I have a Kalyn record, which is the American Teen one, and then I have the Travis Scott album. So yeah, that's what I have as just a couple records. I hopefully one day want to just fill all these up because I think that would be so cool. So after this little corner, I have my closet, you guys. So my closet is nothing major, but it is a little bit of a walk-in closet. So I just have my pants right here. At the bottom I have my shoe boxes, and then my laundry basket usually goes right here, but I have it downstairs because I did some laundry. I just have a random blanket, couple summer clothing down there, and then up here I have my clothes, so all my shirts and sweaters, all that stuff is just up here. Then I have some boxes up there, and usually I have like a whole bunch of memories and cards and stuff that people have given me, and just baby stuff, and I have stuffed animals. I have this frame from my quinceañera where everybody signed it, like all my family members and friends when I was 15 signed it. That's when I had my little quince. And then I have a couple more shirts up here, which are summer shirts. They're more of like my tube tops, crop tops, couple smaller shirts that don't really fit on hangers. And then I have all my sweaters, like stuff I layer with. So my jean jackets, my cute fuzzy sweaters, cardigans, leather jackets. Yeah, so I have a lot of jackets. I like to layer a lot of things, as you can tell. And then back here I have just a couple dresses that I keep over here, summer dresses or even fall dresses. So after my closet, you guys can see me. I have this big mirror. I got this from IKEA also. And I have this plant that is from Target. But yeah, so I have this big mirror, which I'm obsessed with. Yes, I'm barefoot. I don't have any socks on, so don't mind that. But yeah, guys, this is from IKEA. I recommend you guys to get this mirror. I literally love this mirror. I sit here and do my makeup. Sometimes in front of the mirror, I am able to take cute outfit pictures or whatever. Like, this mirror comes in handy, so please go get yourself this. Next to my mirror, I have this window, and I just have these curtains, and I think they're from Target as well. And I have these curtain lights, which I think I got from Marshall's, but I need to put new batteries in them because they don't work right now. So yeah, and then after that we go over here and we have my IKEA drawer, just the basic makeup drawer I feel like almost every girl has. I remember everybody was like going crazy and just buying a whole bunch of these. It's called the Alex drawer. I know a lot of people have this type of drawer if you're like into makeup or just like, I don't know, it's just a really cute drawer, makeup drawer, whatever. On top of it, I just have these flowers that my mom gave me. Yes, these are real. Then I have these two books from Urban Outfitters. And then I also have this candle that my best friend gave me. I'm guessing this is from Target, I think, I'm not sure. And then I have my Michael Kors purse back there. I just thought it would look cute. If you guys ever want me to do like a makeup collection or makeup drawer tour thingy, I will definitely do that. I don't have much in here, just a couple things. So next we have my bed, and my bed is from Ashley's Furniture, and then my bed sheets or comforter, whatever you guys want to call it, is from Target, I think. So this pillow came with it. This pillow is, I think, also from Target, and also from Target. This little throw blanket, I don't know where it's from. My mom got it, so I don't know where it's from. I'm guessing it's from Marshall's or TJ Maxx, because that's usually where we get our throw blankets. So yeah, I'm guessing it's from there. But this is my bed, and then I have a little tapestry, whatever you guys call it, right here, and this is from Urban Outfitters. And you guys, we're done with the room tour. After that, we just go back to my door. So I'm gonna give you guys a little overview. I'm filming this little part of my phone. I forgot to show you guys how my room looks like with the LED lights. So my LED lights go around my closet door and then all the way up around my mirror from IKEA. This is how my LED lights look like around my mirror and my closet door. That's where I have them at. They look better if I make it look darker, if I like turn my if I put my blinds down. That's what I mean. Oh my gosh, I cannot speak, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna show you guys. So this is how they look like at night, and that's me putting my blinds down. So they look really cool. They make my room look very like purplish pink. I can obviously change the colors, but this is the color I usually have it on. So yeah, that's something I forgot to show you guys, but I love these in my room. If you guys don't have LED lights in your room, please get them. I got mine on Amazon. So I hope you guys loved my room tour and just everything that's in my room. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. And if you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to me. My social media is down below, so definitely go check out my social media, and also comment down below what other videos you guys want to see from me. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video.